Thank you for watching this content. In our previous video, we are able to use the data tool called remove duplicate to remove duplicate from a given set of data. Now, in this case, we're going to explore how to use data validation. Sometimes when you are dealing with data entry, you might find it somehow challenging during the data cleaning process when people just type to what is not in line with what you intend to use for your report. So in that case, you might do a kind of data validation so that they will only pick from the list of what you want them to pick from. So let's say, for instance, you want you have a column. In this column I, you have a position as a label, and you want people to pick from this first set of positions: officer, management, mid-management, or top management position. So what you just need to do is to click on this, since people will be using this place. So click on this first one and you go to data validation. So you can locate that in your data tools depending on the kind of Microsoft Excel version you use. So you click on data validation and you can see settings, allow any value. So you click on the drop down, you click on list because you're trying to list all this: officer, management, mid management, top secret. And from the source, you just highlight on this and you can see that it has been put together into this place. And you press OK. Immediately you do that, you can see the drop down. Oops, it pops up. And if you want them to fill to a particular level, you can always drag them. So anytime people is trying to fill this part of the worksheet, you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, you click on the drop down and you see the list. So you can choose if it is officer, you can choose if it is mid management, you can easily choose if it is top management. So people will be able to pick from the drop down, and without stress, you are good to go. So the same thing at any point of the day. So this is how to use data validation, and I hope you have learned something new. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.